How to fix Canva slow loading. Hey everybody, this side Nina from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First of all, you want to make sure that your application is updated. For that, open your Close Store, open your Play Store, search for Canva application, and if you see open here, that means it's updated. Now let's open our settings application. At this page, scroll below and go to apps. Here let's search for Canva. Once you have found Canva, tap onto it and go to permissions. Make sure that you have allowed permissions for your photos and videos to edit. And now let's go to storage. If your Canva is loading slow, then you want to make sure that all its cache is cleared. Tap on clear cache. And just like so, clear your data. And now this shall fix the problem. This is all for today. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in our next upload.